So we got a dog a while back, around Christmas, and I have a big vacuum, but I don't want to lug it down the stairs, so I picked this up at Walmart, and I thought, why not for something like cleaning upstairs and a quick run, so I don't have to bring out the big vacuum. And it looked interesting. It had some stuff. I was going to get one that was like $18, but they were out, and I saw this one and I was like, it still did the hand thing, it just had a cord this time, and I was like, okay, it can't be like any worse or any better. Like, it's a mini vacuum, like what am I expecting? I thought I'd just open it up. And speaking of dog, here he comes. So I'm just hoping it can clean the pet hair off of the staircase and around the house. Just a little vacuum. I feel like there should be more. Okay, here's the handle. Alright, so there's some instructions. Alright, but like a little vacuum. Like I said, I have a big vacuum. I just did something for the dog here. It was under $30. So I was like, can't be that bad. And it didn't need a bag. It says empty dust cup, which I'm assuming this is the dust cup. Alright, that was the AC. So yeah, there it is. Me and my husband got the vacuum we have now like 4 years ago. But I don't know, it's taking a beating, and I just thought it's something simple. Little piece. And it's just a little screw. And then it goes into this, and it just screws in. Okay, so you get it in the hole and then you tighten it. I'd be able to get tighter if it was actually had a screwdriver at the moment, but right now I'm just playing around with it. Guess we wiggle it over there until it clicks. Okay, there we go. The good thing about it is you don't have to unscrew that anymore. You just have to push to unleash the thing. That opens the trap. On, and this is the whole reason I got it. We do not have carpet, and this does flooring. So yeah, I can do hardwood flooring. So. And I got it for the handleless part so I can do the stairs. I kind of wish this part came off, so it was just this part, but it'll do. So that is my awkward little video on this, and I'll let you know if I like it. But yeah, so far it's been a pain in the butt to put together. And I almost threw away that thing. But we'll see. put it together. When I had issues bolting it, obviously, it's still a little loose. I just had to make sure this was pointed the right way and tighten it. If you get a screwdriver, tighten it better. Okay. It picked up everything I wanted. They have different settings. I mainly use floors because I don't have any carpet. I don't know if I would use this on carpet unless you have like a thin carpet. It picked everything up. I haven't used the carpet setting, so I can't really say. This is my second time using it. I recommend both times. I recommend every time you use it to. So yeah, I would definitely empty this out. I'll break it first. This just pops out. And then it really picks up a lot because I just swept yesterday. I have a dog. And dog hair. But that's all the dirt that came out in one day. But it's a cute little, this thing is washable. I'll have to figure out how to take that out to wash. But it's a good little vacuum. It was only $27 at Walmart. Like I said. Hey Finn, I just recommend changing it out every time to avoid issues. But besides the initial confusion getting that bolt in, it's been great. I like it, and it's portable. This handle pops off and you can just use the rest of it over like couches or whatever. I haven't done that yet. It's light enough, I just carried it down the stairs and it did perfect. It vacuumed up everything I asked for it. So that was just my quick review on the vacuum. It's a $27 vacuum and it worked really well. I was actually surprised how well it worked. But it was easy to carry up and down the stairs. It was easy to just maneuver. I have a pretty spacious living room, so it was, it was the plugins I had to switch because they were issues. This is actually paint. Whoever painted in here got paint on the hardwood flooring. I don't know. If you have an idea how to get paint out of hardwood flooring, let me know, because that would be about. But it vacuumed the whole thing and it was pretty good. So yeah.